Hi, in this video we are going to see about various issues and solving them in HP Envy 5000 all-in-one printer. So let's see. First issue, ink cartridge issues. If any error occurs in cartridge after installation, or if any message indicating of any problem, so you can verify the protective piece of plastic tape has been removed by removing the ink cartridges, and after removing that, reinsert the ink cartridges. If this does not work, clean the cartridge contacts, and if the problem is still not resolved, replace the ink cartridges. To clean cartridge contacts, you can follow on instructions which is given stepwise, right? So in this way you can clean cartridge contacts. Let's move to the next screen. So there are total 10 steps available to clean the cartridge contacts. So follow on instruction to clean completely. Now let's see about printing issues. Fix problems with page not printing, unable to print. Then HP Print and Scan Doctor, you need to install it, and HP Print and Scan Doctor is a utility that will try to diagnose and fix the issues automatically. This utility is available only for Windows device, so you need to make sure. And troubleshoot problems with print jobs not printing. Then use an HP online troubleshooting wizard and get step-by-step instruction if the printer is not responding or printing. You can read this note, which is important for more information. Now let's see copy issues. Then troubleshoot copy problems. Use an HP online troubleshooting wizard and get step-by-step instructions if the printer does not create a copy or if your printer are low quality. You can read this note. And let's see scan issues. Then you need to install HP Print and Scan Doctor and use it. The HP Print and Scan Doctor is utility that will try to diagnose and fix the issues automatically. And after that, solve scan problems. Use online troubleshooting wizard. Get step-by-step instruction if you cannot create a scan or if your scan are low quality. You can read this note as well for more information. Now we will see about network and connection issues. To fix wireless connection, choose one of the following troubleshooting problems. Like HP Print and Scan Doctor, you can use this. The HP Print and Scan Doctor is a utility that will try to diagnose and fix the issue automatically. Or use an HP online troubleshooting wizard. Troubleshoot your wireless problems. You can follow these steps which is available here, or troubleshoot a firewall or antivirus issue. And you can read this note as well for more information. Let's move to the next screen, which is printer hardware issues. In this issue we will learn various ways to fix this. The printer shut down unexpectedly, then you need to follow this step. Otherwise the cartridge access door is open, then you need to follow this. And cartridges aligned failed, then follow the tips and instructions. And resolve printer failure, then follow these steps. Now let's see get help from the printer control panel. You can also get help from the control panel through various help topics to learn more about the printer. And next step, you get help from the HP Smart app. You can read this for more information. Let's see understand printer reports. You can also read and learn about the troubleshooting problems with printer reports. In this topic it will cover maintain the printer, clean the scanner glass. You can follow on instructions and steps to clean the scanner glass, and clean the exterior. You can follow this tip which is available here. And now let's see about restore original factory defaults and settings. If you have changed some settings and you want to change them back, then you can restore the printer to the original factory settings or network settings. So you can follow these steps which is available here to restore original factory defaults. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, click on the support link which is available in this video description.